Today we're going to talk about a short DIY on how to fix your parking sensors for pretty much any car, but specifically today we're going to be looking at an E90 2007 BMW 335xi. So the things that you will need is the vinyl wrap that matches your paint color. I have a black sapphire metallic car, but it's so small that just black vinyl wrap will do. Then here's an unfinished parking sensor on the BMW. They turn purple for some reason. Here is a roll of electrical tape, and you need a wet washcloth to clean off your parking sensors, and preferably a heat gun will work best, but a hot hair dryer will do. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our wet washcloth and we're just gonna go around the whole parking sensor and make sure we get all that dirt and grime off so the vinyl will stick a lot better. After you're done cleaning, you're gonna be ready for the vinyl, but make sure you take off this little kind of O-ring around the sensor and get under there, and that'll be of use later. After you wrap your sensor and you have all the vinyl wrap overhanging on the edge, you're going to want to go around with an X-Acto knife or scissors and trim that off, otherwise it will not fit properly.
It's delicious.
So this is my old bumper. It is completely taken off of the car, and these are what the little mounting brackets look like for your sensor. So obviously you will have the connector connected in there with the wire, but just to simply show it, you line it up correctly, and then it should just be as easy as pushing it in, and sometimes you have to pull those tabs over and it's locked into place. And it's that easy. Since it's so small, the paint really doesn't even need to match 100%, so this is just like a little simple fix. Now we are under the car, and this is where you can find the parking sensors to take them off and put them back on. So right here, what we're pointing at is the rear bash bar, and you can see the wires right here that are tucked at the top. So you'll have a parking sensor here, you'll have one of the sensors there, and then the other two are on the outside, and they're pretty hard to get to, but you can reach up there and grab them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more simple DIYs, and make sure to comment what you guys think, and if you have any other suggestions that you would like to see from me in the near future. Thanks again, and have a great day.